What is happening, my people out there? Raoul TV Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again, and it is hot. Like bloody hell. I'm absolutely boiling. I'm burning up. That's what it is. I'm burning up. What we're doing is we've got a Peugeot 208 on a 2014 plate, and we're going to go ahead and replace the rear number plate light bulbs. Obviously rear number plate light bulbs, number plate light bulbs, registration light bulbs. We're going to go ahead and replace them. Should be dead easy. Let's go, let's do them. Raoul TV, let's go. Okay guys, so that's where they live. As you can see there, there's the tailgate there. Okay, the tailgate is there. We'll lift the tailgate up. Okay, and they live there. All we do is we need a little pick just to pick them off from there. Can you see there? Little hole there, little gap there. Okay, so we need to pick that off, pick this side off, and then we'll go from there. Right, okay, so you get yourself a pick like that, put it in there, and all you do is pry it, give it a little pry, and it falls out. Obviously hold it with the other hand. Hold it with the other hand. You don't want it falling and then basically breaking. Same on this side as well. Watch out, spider. I hate spiders. Look at that, there's a spider, dead spider there. Ugh. Move out of the way. Right, okay, so same again. In there, little flick, and it comes off, and I dropped it. I dropped it on the floor. Right, okay, so now we can see, we can gain access to the bulbs, capless bulbs. Right, let's go. Okay, so the bulbs are there, as you can see there. You're going to get yourself some long nose pliers, or if you can get your fingers in there, get your fingers in there by all means, no problem whatsoever. Long nose pliers in there. Just grab the bulb and just give it a little pull. Let's try that one again. Let's give it a little pull. Let's try it again. Let's give it a little pull. Ta-da! Third time lucky. Third time lucky. We've got the bulb off there, as you can see there. If you can get your fingers in there, happy days. But I've got fat fingers and they're not going to go in there. Right, so yeah. As you can see, I've took it off. That's what you need. Capless bulbs. Okay, and yeah, let's replace them. Let's go. There we have it, guys. Both bulbs are working. Both lights are working. Right, as for the cover here, all you do now is, in reverse order, just put it in there. That's one. Right, another one now. All we do is just get it lined up. You'll see the cutouts, as you can see there. There's cutouts on the side, cutout on this side. Just get the cutouts lined up, and just give it a little push. Boom! There we have it, all done and dusted. That's how we replace the registration lamp bulbs on a Peugeot 208. Done.